Hi, I'm Whitney Slade with an update from Sun Valley Tour de Force. We operate a 3-day charity event for car fans of all ages. Our goal is to raise funds and support critical needs in our local community. We have produced the weekend of events for years without incident. This year turned out differently. An incident took place the morning of July 20th at Phantom Hill. Out of respect for the situation, we canceled our regularly scheduled fundraising event that was planned for that evening. Our primary focus over the last few weeks has been to support the families involved and to care for our staff and teams. We are pleased to report that the injured parties are making great improvements, and now we can support our local community. Last year, together, we raised a record-breaking amount. We are asking all of our drivers, sponsors, and fans to join us with a donation this year. And despite canceling the final day of the weekend, the 7th annual Sun Valley Tour de Force was full of highlights.
Hi, I'm Dave Stone. Sun Valley Tour de Force is about combining passion with purpose. Our mission is to build a thriving community. We know that investing in root causes of food insecurity, including affordable housing, mental health services, and education, is crucial. This is your chance to give back and be part of something bigger for Blaine County. Please join us.
Hi, I'm Christa Felton. Good food is at the center of our work. It's in the rows of our gardens, classrooms, neighborhoods, and at family dinner tables. In our valley, we have brave first responders, award-winning teachers, and hardworking people in the service industry. And yet, many of us are silently struggling to make ends meet and keep good food on our tables. The average home price in Blaine County would take 3 nurses or 4 teacher salaries to afford. 40% of our residents are at risk of displacement. And as the cost of living continues to soar, we've seen the need for emergency food increase by 180% since 2019. We have to ask ourselves, what is a thriving community? What would it take for people to never need emergency food again? We know that it starts with friends and family. Food and shelter, nourishment and healing, and a road to success for all of our young people. Stable and dignified housing, mental health care, and education are paramount to a thriving community. Our partnership with Sun Valley Tour de Force these last few years has been key to strengthening our community, but we need your investment to build lasting solutions. Please join our mission and donate today.